In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Clickup. If you're looking to streamline your billing process while using Clickup, you've come to the right place. Clickup is a versatile platform that aids in productivity and management, and you can use it to generate invoices efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure smooth sailing. First, you need to head over to Clickup's website, open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. When you're on the home page, you'll see the login button located at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have a couple of options to log in. In this instance, let's use the option to sign in with Google for efficiency and ease, especially if you have an existing Google account linked to your Clickup. Simply click on the Sign in with Google button. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account, so choose the appropriate one that you use with Clickup. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Clickup workspace. You'll see a variety of projects and lists that you might have already created. To create an invoice, select any one of the lists available to you. Look for the three-dot menu next to the list name. Click on these dots to bring up more options. From the options that pop up, you'll want to click on Templates. This is where you can access pre-made resources that Clickup offers, which include our focus for today, invoice templates. After clicking, you'll see the option labeled Browse Templates. Click here to proceed. Once you're in the template browsing section, you'll need to search for invoice. Type invoice into the search bar and hit enter. This will filter the options to show templates that match your query, specifically designed to help with invoice creation. Now you'll notice the available invoice templates. Hover over one of the invoice options and look for the Quick Use button. Clicking this allows you to immediately integrate and start using the template without further ado. At this point, you now have an invoice template to work with. If you wish, you can rename this invoice to something more specific to your needs by again clicking on the three-dot menu and selecting the rename option. This is particularly helpful for keeping everything organized and identifiable at a glance. Finally, you have the freedom to either edit an existing task within your invoice template or add a completely new task. This functionality allows you to customize your invoice exactly to how it fits your project or client, ensuring every little detail is covered. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on creating an invoice in Clickup. This handy feature should help streamline your work processes, allowing you to focus more on what you do best while handling client billing with ease. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.